Okay, how was your home vacation? Okay, you are telling your own experience on your class time. Okay, children. Now we are continuing the second chapter, third chapter, third chapter, fraction. The last class we have discussed about unit fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, like that. So now we are discussing the fraction. Okay. Then the first question is, a bottle can hold 250 milliliters. How much water do we need to fill 3 such bottles? Okay, what is this? It's one bottle can hold 250 milliliters. Do you know that units, milliliters? So how many bottles are there? 3 bottles are there. So we can say that how many bottles? These are 3 bottles. One bottle hold 250 milliliter. Okay, this milliliter. Thus we can write ml. The short form of milliliter is ml. Okay, so now we are using this ml only. Okay, this read milliliter ml. It's a short form of milliliter. So here we are discussing the 3 bottles. How much water can hold? 250 milliliter. So we can write 3 bottles. 3 into 250 milliliter ml. Okay, we already know that the multiplication tables. So we can use the multiplication table 3 here. So 250 into 3. 3 0 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 is right here. 1 is the carryover. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So we can write this is 750 milliliter. So 3 bottles can hold 750 milliliter. Understood? So next we can write in this section these figures in words. In words. How to these figures in words? 3 times as much as 250 milliliter is 750 milliliter. Understood? How to write these figures in words? 3 times as much as 250 milliliter is 750 milliliter. Understood? So, in other words, we can write 3 times of 250 milliliter. So, we can write 3 into 250 milliliter. Understood? So, in words, 3 times as much as 250 milliliter is 750 milliliter. Simply, we can say 3 times of 250 milliliter. Then 5 times of 250 milliliter. How to write 5 times of 250 milliliter? 5 into 250 milliliter. This we can write 3 into 250 milliliter. Understood? So, 3 bottles can hold 750 milliliter. Understood? In this, based on this problem, we can discuss some basic forms. Based on this problem, we are discussing some basic forms, milliliters. So, first of all, we are writing 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. You by heart this, okay? 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Understood? So, we can write in 1000, we can write in 500 milliliter plus. We already know that 2 500s make 1000. So, we can write in this 1000 milliliter is 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. This 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Understood? So 1000 milliliter we can write in split in two 500s. The 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliter. Understood? We are taking the 500 milliliter. What is this? This is half of, how to write this? 500 milliliter, half of 1000 milliliter. Half of 1000 milliliter. How to write half of 1000 milliliter? Then 1000 divided by 1 by 2. We get what? 500. Understood? Half of 1000 milliliter. Understood all? So next of all, we can write 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 1000 milliliter. What is this? Half of 1000 milliliter is 500 milliliter. Understood? Half of 1000 milliliter is 500 milliliter. What about the 1 by 4 of 1000 milliliter? 1 by 4 of 1000 milliliter. This is 1 by 2 of 1000 milliliter equal to 500 milliliter. 1 by 2 of, 1 by 2, this is called a half. 1 by 2 means half. Then 1 by 2 of 1000 milliliter equal to 500 milliliter. Then 1 by 4 of 1000 milliliter equal to what? How to write? So we can write how many? 2500, 254. 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliter. How to write 1 by 4 of 1000 milliliter? Like this. 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we can say that 1 by 4 of 1000 milliliter equal to 250 milliliter. Understood? So in the basic of these fractions, we can study 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter, half liter equal to 500 milliliter, then 1 by 4 milliliter equal to 250 milliliter. 250 milliliter. So we can say 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4 means quarter. 1 by 4 means quarter. Then 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 4 we can say quarter. Understood all? So we conclude these problems. We can write 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter, 500 milliliter equal to half liter, then 250 milliliter equal to 250 then we can write 1000 milliliter. The short form of milliliter is ml is equal to 1 liter. What is the short form of liter? L. So 500 milliliter equal to half liter. Then 250 milliliter equal to 1 by 4 liter, quarter liter. Understood this all? Understood? Understood all? So we can write that, we can write 250 milliliter equal to quarter liter. How to write? 250 milliliter means, we can say that 250 milliliter means quarter liter. Quarter liter. Understood? 250 milliliter means quarter liter. So we can write 3 of quarter means 3 quarter. What is 3 of quarter means 3 quarter. Then we can say that 250 milliliter means quarter liter. 3 of quarter means 3 quarter. 3 of quarter. How to write 3 of quarter? 3 into quarter means 1 by 4. So we can write 3 into 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. This is 3/4. How to say this? 3/4. So we can study 1 by 2 means half, 1 by 4 means quarter. So we can say 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 3/4. Understood? So you should study this. 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter, 500 milliliter equal to half liter, 250 milliliter equal to 1 by 4 liter means quarter liter. 1 by 4 liter or quarter liter. So next one, the 3 of quarter means 3/4. 3 into 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 3/4. 1 by 2 half, 1 by 4 quarter, 3 by 4 3/4. Understood all? You just by heart these all units. Okay, understood this problem. Okay, now we are discussing the second problem. A packet can hold 500 grams of sugar. How much sugar do we need to fill 4 packets? We already given the grams and the packets. The 500 grams. Needed how many packets? 4 packets. So the first problem you do like that. The first problem, do you remember the first problem? So we can write 4 into 500 grams. Okay, 4 into 500 grams. So we already know that the multiplication table 4. So we can write 400, 400, 4 5s are 20. So we can write 2000 gram. 2000 grams. So simply we can say that the grams, what's the short form of grams? G. Next we can study the kilograms. What is the kilograms? kg. Short. Then we already studied the milliliter. What is the milliliter short form? ml. Liter short form? L. So gram short form is G. Kilogram short form is kg. So now we are using the short form G and kg. So here we can write 4 into 500 gram equal to 2000 gram. So then do we need to fill the 4 packets? We need how much sugar? 2000 grams. Okay. So 2000 gram equal to how many kilogram? Do you know that? 2000 gram equal to how many kilogram? Do you know the units? Gram and kilogram. How to write that? How to say that? So we will discuss later. First of all, we are how to write in words. This in words. The first problem we can discussing how to write the words. How to write 4 times as much as 500 gram is 2000 grams. Simply we can say 4 times of 500 gram equal to 4 into 500 gram equal to 2000 gram. Understood? So write in words we can say that 4 times as much as 500 gram is 2000 grams. Simply we can say 4 times of 500 gram equal to 4 into 500 gram equal to 2000 gram. Understood all? How to write the problem? The answer is 2000 grams. So in this 2000 gram we need to convert into kilograms. How to convert? So now we are studying some basics units. So first of all we can write 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram short form kg. Okay, we already studied 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So here we can discussing 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. Then half of 1000 gram equal to what? Half of 1000 milliliter equal to what? Do you remember? Half of 1000 milliliter. 500 milliliter. Same we can use half of 1000 gram equal to 5000 gram. Then 1 by 4 of 1000 gram equal to what? 1 by 4 of 1000 milliliter equal to what? Do you remember that? 250 milliliter. Same we can write 1 by 4 of 1000 gram equal to 250 gram. So we can conclude 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. 500 gram equal to half kilogram. 250 gram equal to quarter gram. 1 by 4 kilogram. Okay, these are the units of gram and kilogram. We already studied 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. What is our answer? Here you look at the answer. We got the answer is 2000 gram. We already learned 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. Then what about 2000 gram equal to how many kilogram, bacha? How much, sir? How much? Then 2 kilogram. So we need to fill to 4 packets. We need 2 kilogram of sugar. 2 kilogram of sugar. Do you understood how to get the 2 kilogram? We already studied 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So we can convert 2000 gram equal to 2 kilogram. So we need to fill 4 packets is 2 kilogram of sugar. Understood all? So today's class we are discussing the 2 problems. So many units we can study. So you just read all units and study. Okay, understood all? Then let's wind up the class now. Then we'll catch up later.